Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. My name is Suzy and welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Ito po ang inyong weekly messages for September 10 to 16. At ito po ay general reading, kaya hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kunin niyo lang po kung ano ang sasakto sa inyong sitwasyon. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating channel. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Virgo. And maraming salamat din po sa inyong pagbisita kung bago po kayo rito. And welcome na welcome po kayo rito. Thank you. Virgo, pauna mensahe ninyo ay pin, beautiful, new job and new career. Yan, Virgo. So, you are entering a new job dito or new career, no? Maaring may career shift dito na nangyari for some of you. And magsisimula na kayo ngayon, no? Good luck and congrats. We have the shark and take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Ayan. This is also an important reminder for some of you. Lalo-lalo na ngayon na meron kayong bagong trabaho, nagsisimula kayo ng bagong karera, alagaan ninyo ang inyong kaperahan. No? Alagaan ninyo ang mga kita ninyo because maybe, you know, hindi kayo sumusunod sa budget plan ninyo or maybe kasi may tendency siguro kayo na mag-spend kayo ng ayun, alam mo yun, yung hindi naman necessity, no? Mag-spend kayo ng hindi naman kailangan talaga. So, make sure that you manage your money wisely, no? Para hindi kayo mawalan, hindi kayo masaktan pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? We also have frying pan. Ayan. There may be trouble or accusations then dito na maaring ibato sa inyo. Kaya mag-ingat kayo sa mga taong nakakasalamuha ninyo. Okay? Kasi may naririnig ako ditong frame up. Maaring sa trabaho yan. No? Maaring sa trabaho yan. Maaring may naiinggit sa inyo sa trabaho. Kaya it may or he or she may drag you into his or her drama. No? Kasi maaring ang kainggitan hindi mo yan matansya. You would never have an idea kung anong maaring gawin ng ibang taong naiinggit. Di ba? Kasi maaring yan, Virgo. You know, ang napipick up ko dyan, matagal nang naiinggit ang taong yan sa'yo. Kaya maaring nagpaplano yan ng something. But you don't worry, just pray. Ipag-pray ninyo yan, i-offer ninyo yan sa Panginoon. Ask for divine guidance. Ask for protection and for your safety. Call in Archangel Michael, no? To protect you and guide you and guard you, no? Sa lahat ng bagay. Lalong-lalo na sa mga ganyang sitwasyon. Okay? At alalahanin ninyo, no, na walang masamang balak ang ibang tao towards kung sino man, lalo-lalo na din sa'yo, na hindi yan magtatagumpay. Kasi walang masamang balak na nagpo-prosper. Okay? Kaya don't worry about it. Just pray. Just pray. Ask for protection, no? And safety and guidance. We have accepting what is. I accept and embrace my inner majesty. Ayan. Acceptance, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is going to accept the entire, yung iyong pagkatao. Kasi maaring ang iba sa inyo may mga parte pa ng sarili ninyo na hindi ninyo natatanggap. May mga parte kayo ng sarili ninyo na you are not proud of, no? Kaya yung parang sinasabi dito na accept and embrace your inner majesty. Kung ano kayo, kung sino kayo, kung ano ang iyong truth. No, Virgo, it's about time na to accept it and it's about time na to embrace the real you, no? Yung real beauty ninyo. Okay? Letting go, I surrender joyously to the ebbing and flowing of life. Ayan. Napakaganda nito because you are realizing dito na it's about time na to let go of the things, to let go of the control or anyone or people, no, that doesn't serve your highest good, no? Let go of all of those para malinis ang inyong energy field, malinis ang inyong sarili, ang buhay ninyo, no? Tanggalin na ang mga basura sa buhay ninyo. Anything, anyone, any situation na it doesn't serve your highest good anymore. It's time to let go and also let go of the control about things as well. Let go of the control of the things na nangyayari sa buhay ninyo, or the outcome, no, na maaring ini-imagine ninyo for yourself na gusto ninyong mangyari. Because we should also remember, no, that there are so many things sa buhay natin that are beyond our control. Kasi parang nonsense din na na-controlin natin kung ano mga gusto nating mag-manifest sa buhay natin. Because if it's not meant for us, in the first place, hindi rin naman mangyayari. Diba? If it's not part of the divine plan, kahit anong insist natin, it's not gonna happen. Kaya, might as well, no? Focus on the things that we can control and let go of the things that we can't control. And just let go and let God. Okay? Let go and let God. That way, mas mapapansin ninyong mas maraming blessings ang dumadating. Mas mapapansin ninyo na mas magaan ang journey ninyo. Diba? Looking deeper. Ayan. Deep within me is a majestic radiance. So, look deeper into yourself. No? Kasi marami kayong talents, marami kayong gifts, no? Maaring ganon. Yun akin napipick up na maraming gifts si Virgo dito, na maaring hindi ninyo na-share yan sa mundo because of fear, because of hesitation, or because of hindi ka nagtitiwala sa inyong kakayanan. No? So, yun ang aking napipick up dito. Kaya iniimbitahan ka dito to accept what is, because there is something, from deep within you, na something na you can use, to change the life of other people, Virgo. Maaaring meron ka ditong gift, na hinihintay na ng maraming tao sa paligid ninyo, sa mundo, na ilabas mo yan because they can get an inspiration from that. No? Maaaring may gift ka talaga or talent ka na hindi mo inilalabas dito, kaya naman iniimbitahan ka, to come out of that fear, to come out of that hesitation or procrastination, and share that gift or talent, sa mundo, because you never know, that can change other people's lives. You can inspire other people's lives with that gift or talent. Okay, Virgo? We have the energy is gaining momentum. Ayan. So, parang palapit ka na doon sa kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari, no? Sa 3D reality ninyo. Maaring ang iba sa inyo may ginagawa na talagang endeavor, no? And this is going to be, you will realize that this is going to be a rewarding endeavor in the end, no, Virgo? Parang meron ka ditong ginagawa na talagang alam mo na maganda ang kahihinatnan, magiging maganda ang resulta ninyo. Kaya talagang nagsisikap ka, you're persevering, pinagpapatuloy mo ang pagtsatsaga, no? And that is really beautiful. Kasi, palapit ka na, malapit ka na doon sa kung ano man ang goal ninyo. Kaya continue on with that, Virgo. A time for healing. Ayan, a time for healing. Maaring may mga dito sa inyo, may mga sitwasyon kayong pinanggagalingan wherein maaring relationship yan with other people, maaring sa person mo, kaibigan, or kung sino man, no? Na nagkaroon kayo ng rough patch in the past, and now, it's time to let go of those resentments, of those baggages, emotional baggages ninyo na kahit tagal nyo ng kinikip sa dibdib ninyo, and it's time for healing, no? So that you can move on na, no? You can move forward with your life na, Virgo, and magawa mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin para makapag, maging free ka na, no? Sa mga bagahe na yan sa inyong dibdib, makakahinga ka na ng maluwag. So, it feels like there will be acceptance and forgiveness na dito sa puso ng iba sa inyo, Virgo, and you are going to let go, no? Sama ng loob, tampo, galit, no? And you're going to start healing process, no, Virgo? We also have meditate and contemplate. This is what you need right now. No? This is what you need right now para mapag-isipan ninyong mabuti ang mga bagay-bagay. No? Lalo-lalo na ang mga nararamdaman ninyo about dito sa rough patch ninyo with another person in the past. No? Na kailangan na ninyo ngayon mag-release ng mga bagahe sa dibdib so that you can start your healing process. No? You may need to do some kind of meditation and contemplation so that you can work through your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. No? Makakatulong yan ng malaki para sa pag-iisip ninyo on how you are going to let go of the things or the people or situations that doesn't serve your highest good anymore so that you can start the healing process and you can move on. Six of Cups, meron ditong pagbabalik ninyo sa kung saan man kayo ipinanganak, saan kayo nanggaling, where did you grow up ngayon. So parang meron kayong balak na umuwi kung saan man kayo nanggagaling. Okay? Maaring yan ay galing sa kung saan kayo ipinanganak or lumaki. Or maaring yan ay pag-uwi ninyo sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong mga anak, sa inyong asawa, no? Or sa inyong mga magulang. So there is homecoming dito for some of you, Virgo, which also involves travel. Kasi maaring nasa malayong lugar kayo, maaring nasa abroad kayo, or nandito lang din kayo sa Pilipinas, pero malayo kayo sa pamilya ninyo. So there is homecoming. May plano dito ng pag-uwi sa iba sa inyo. We have Queen of Swords. Ayan. So, be honest. No? Be honest with yourself. Yun ang akin napipick up dito. And also, be honest with how you feel. Be honest also when you are communicating with other people. You know? It's all about authenticity dito ang napipick up ko, Virgo. Kasi, maaring ang iba sa inyo, Virgo, is yung bang maaring ang iba sa inyo dito has a tendency na pag nagko-communicate kayo, you are always trying to say something or do something na mapiplease ninyo ang ibang tao. No? Maaring may ganong tendency ang iba sa inyo dito, Virgo. And this is what I am picking up with this Queen of Swords. Na be authentic to yourself. Don't say anything or do something na hindi naman talaga yan ang gusto ng puso at ng isip ninyong gawin ninyo. But because gusto ninyong ma-please ang ibang tao, gusto ninyong magustuhan kayo ng ibang tao, kaya ninyo ginagawa yun. Even if it's not yung hindi bukal sa sarili ninyo. Okay? Kaya this is a wake-up call for some of you na maaaring hindi ninyo na-realize na you are doing that things, no? Kaya panggising ito sa inyo na be authentic to yourself na sa ngayon. Be honest with yourself, okay? Kung ano yung nasa isip ninyo, kung ano ang nasa puso ninyo, yun ang gawin ninyo, no? Be true to you. Be true to yourself so that you can also expect other people to be honest and be true to you as well, Virgo. You also have Four of Pentacles. So this is about money, and this is also about your relationship with money. No? Meron tayo ditong take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. Ayan. So parang this one is related to that, Virgo. Kasi na-pick up ko din dito, manage your money wisely. Ganun din ang na-pick up ko dun na sinasabi din kanina sa iyo na manage your money wisely. Okay? So, maaring this is a wake-up call for some of you, no? Na gamitin natin yung diskarte natin sa pag-manage ng kaperahan natin ng tama. At disiplina, no? Financial discipline. Yun ang aking napipick up din dito, Virgo, for some of you. Na kung ano lang yung necessity, kung ano yung nasa budget, make sure na we stand by that, no? Iwasan natin ang mga paggagastos ng hindi naman necessary or yung pagbibili ng mga bagay na hindi naman talaga kailangan at this time, yung ganon nang sa gayon, nandoon pa rin tayo sa loob ng budget plan natin, no? Nandoon pa rin tayo sa disiplinadong paggastos ng pera, no? So Virgo, that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.